Hey guys, this is Echo Rock or Tim Hicks, my real name.
And this is Kamali, or code writer on the Game Salad forums.
We're just here to show you guys what we whipped up for the VS7 contest. As you all know, I'm sure the theme was out of this world, so me and code writer here decided to make like a little arcade space game. Sort of similar to a helicopter, but you'll see all about that. Before we get into the game, we just want to show you around the menu area because we're pretty proud of it. We decided to go with this whole space, like open, expansive space thing. So you'll see this effect we have when we change scenes here. So all the buttons are planets, obviously. Stats. We don't have the stats and the credits set up yet, but they just navigate you like off the scene and bring you to these other menus here where you can go back and forth. The music and sound are toggle buttons with a little particle effect on them. When you start them back up, they look pretty cool. And then down here we have the reset game button. Kamali's the logic guy. He put this all together, so I'll let him explain it briefly to you.
Yeah, just really quickly, this is just we're working with persistent tables here, and so this reset button will reset all your saved data. So that's all your unlocked levels, all your collectibles will be reset when you here. As you see here, it gives you a nice warning. Holding will erase all saved data. If you hold that, you'll see we have the time ticking down. And if you get down all the way to 0, your game will reset. This game is already reset, so it doesn't matter. We will go to 0 and we're fine. So we will back to Timmy.
Cool. Let's not call me Timmy here. Yeah, we also have badges or achievements. We haven't set that up yet because we're not done building the yet levels. But we have like this is what they're basically what they'll look like with a little image here. Yeah, so it'll be cool. And then the gameplay here, we'll shoot you down there. We got a world menu here. We created a couple of different worlds, themed them out. I created all this artwork this week. It's been a lot of long nights. But yeah, we have this purple world here. Sort of this icy one, a flamey one here. And then this is gonna be a grassy one, but I haven't quite finished it, so that's why we left it locked. Um, and then these worlds all lead you down. Oh yeah, we're gonna display some information here about the game, about all the levels. It's gonna be like a collection of data for like quick viewing. So down here we got levels. There'll be a little description of the planet just for fun. Um, and down here we have the levels. Obviously you see they're locked. The first level is obviously not locked because it's the first level in the game. We got a little button here that'll jump you back up to the top, so you don't have to go through the screens. And all the planets, they're like themed. So this one's blue. The fire one's red. Oh, actually, the fire one looks pretty cool. I didn't have time to do the artwork for all the planets, but eventually they're all gonna have like a nice background like this. These ones they're not locked and set up yet, but so yeah, let's jump into the game and take a look at what we actually do here. Um, so level 1 will jump in. It has a little shine effect on it there. Here in the menu, Kamali did all this setting up of the menu stuff, so I'll let him explain to you what we got going on.
Again, just briefly, so what we have here is we're just displaying up in this top corner here. We have the world number and level number. We have your death counts, the total. This is again persistent data, so this saves your total overall time for this level, and your best for this. Your best record for deaths for this level. So the less, the better. And that saves persistently as well. If a user shuts off and turns back on, that data does save. Right now, you haven't beaten this level, so it's not available yet. So that's why you see the NA there. This button here will get you to the next level, but as you see, we have not unlocked the next level yet, so it's unavailable at the moment. We have your mineral display here. We'll show you what those are about soon, and your score as well, your high score for the level. Quit will quit you out to main menu here, which we won't do just yet, and play will get you started. So I'll send you back to Timmy for that.
See,
To Tim for that.
Timmy.
To Tim.
Jesus. All right, so here we are, like first level. We're not really sure what order the levels are gonna go in, but we got the tap to display thing. The whole game works it's like helicopter. You touch the game and your guy goes up. You look over the game and he goes down. With a little twist on it. So tap to display. I mean tap to play. If I tap the screen, I get some boost. I can if I fall to the ground, I die. It pops at the end screen here. I'll play it again so I can show you all the other stuff up here. A reset button for a quick reset. This is your display. It's sort of like stars. You can see these are the minerals that you have to collect. In the game, oh, we didn't even talk about the title of the game. Oh, the game's called Collector 3165. You guys probably saw that on the main menu. Um, but yeah, this little guy, he's 3156. Some numbers. This guy's trying to collect all this like stardust and space and like these space emeralds and minerals and stuff. So these are like the stars and these are like the points. So up here we got your star count. You got to collect all three in the level, and then you have to make it out to the other side of the screen to beat the level. So we keep you track of your score, and then your current deaths, which is like how many times you've died playing this level since you last won, which is actually pretty cool. So like if I'm in here, I died once, I'll die twice. I'll just keep playing. I can't go to the next level until I beat it. So I'll just come over here and oh damn, I almost just died that time. Oh, that's ugly. Something's going on there, but oh, it's making me skip the level. All right, sorry about that. What I was gonna show you is that it was gonna keep track of how many times I died, even when I looped back around and like went through the menu. Anyways, it's a pretty persistent thing. I mean, it's persistent. And it's cool to keep track of. That's one of the big things in the game. Since the game's so fast, like each of these levels is only a few seconds. We wanted to keep track of how many times you died, so we can make the game really hard and really put a challenge to it. I'll just go on to the next level here. They start to ramp up in difficulty, and ramp up in decoration and stuff. As you can see in the background, we got like the scrolling background. It's actually two layers, and they're based on like how fast the character's going. So later on in the game, when you get a boost that you can go backwards, and it changes the rotation, the movement of the background and stuff. This background isn't set up to move yet. So basically, yeah, you go through the game and you're trying to collect all the minerals and all the stardust that you can. I think